I'm not in the mood right now, ma. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood right now, bro.
No! No!
These are times IShowSpeed crashed out on live. First up, we have a video that involves one of IShowSpeed's ex-girlfriends, because when he was dating this girl many years ago, she ended up cheating on him and making some inappropriate TikToks, and Speed started crashing out.
You laugh?
No.
That's crazy, bro.
No.
That's actually crazy. Oh my mama, so that's crazy.
No, laugh
like I feel like real life busting in your shit right now.
Bro.
Oh my mama, so I feel like busting in your shit, bro.
Dude.
On God, nigga.
Dude,
On, bro.
not...
On Ronaldo kids, I feel like busting in your shit right now, bro. Take your hands off! Touch him. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! My heart! Oh my God! My heart! Oh my God! Oh my God!
This next one was kind of funny because Speed started crashing out after Clicks gifted him the new Messi skin.
Tell me why! Tell me why Messi is in Fortnite. Chat, tell me why! Tell me why! Tell me why is he in Fortnite right now? Like somebody in the stream tell me why. Before I tweak out, chat. Before I really start tweaking. And if I go on Fortnite and if I see him before Ronaldo at that, there will be problems. I know they actually got Messi in the game. Oh my God. No way they actually got Messi in the game. Who the fuck gifted me this shit? Who the fuck gifted me this shit? Who the fuck gifted me this shit? Who the fuck gifted me this? Oh my fucking God!
Next up is when Speed was really loud while playing this game, and his mom walked in making a big argument.
Hey, you're good. Hey, you good.
Hey, chill.
Will you chill?
Stop!
I mean, no, you stop. Fuck you talking to people like that? Cut it out. Not in my house, and not with your siblings in here. And I mean it.
Hey. I'm not in the mood right now, ma. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood right now, bro. Not in the mood. I'm not in the mood, bro. No, I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm not in the mood. I already hit my head up. I'm straight.
While Speed was on an E-date with this beautiful lady, he ended up saying something really crazy to her and started being loud.
Alright, hold on, wait. Alright, but look though. I got like a psychological question, okay? Say if we're the last two people on Earth and we had to reproduce to make the world continue. Would you reproduce with me?
No, because that means our kids will have to intertwine and then their kids, no.
Who gonna stop me?
I will.
Who's gonna stop me?
I will.
If we the last two people on Earth, who gonna stop me?
Gee.
You're not stopping me. If we the last two people on Earth, who gonna stop me?
Yeah. Come on.
Next one is again when Speed was being loud because he was getting close to 600,000 subscribers and his mom walked in on him.
Come on, y'all, bro. Let me just hit this real quick. I swear to God, y'all. Well, my mama so child, we're in the stream right now, y'all. Just sub up, y'all. Come on, bro, cause I'm tired of this, y'all. Come on, bro. Just sub up on some real chat. I swear to God, chat. Well, I want to yell so bad, you feel me? I don't, you feel me? You know what, bro? You know what, hell no. 600K! Mom, come on.
I don't give a fuck.
Alright, okay, alright.
I don't give a fuck.
All right.
I'm gonna be on the recording.
Okay. All right.
Damn. Monty popping up and shit. There's your.
This is embarrassing. I'm not gonna lie. That was embarrassing.
In this one, Speed started crashing out so bad after he tried to download a game in the middle of his stream and his PC got hacked.
Application may cause damage to your device. I don't care. Run anyway. I'm Speed, baby. Yes. Warning, you have ran a Trojan known as monoxide. This has full capacity to delete all your data on your operating system. By continuing, you keep in mind that the creator will not be responsible for any damage that this Trojan is highly recommended. They trying to troll me. Final warning, bro. I'm not a bro. Come on, bro. Damn. I'm ready. Now what? Oh, fuck. No. What did I do, bro? No. Oh, no! Fuck! No! Fuck! No! Fuck! No! I'm sorry! I take it back!
Here, Speed's teammates refused to revive him and he got really mad.
Damn, you keep playing this shit, bro!
I don't give a f anymore.
Bro, oh my god, bro.
Apologize, bro. Apologize.
I'm sorry now. Okay.
No, say, I'm sorry, Cody Conrad.
I'm sorry, Cody Comrade.
No, Rod.
Conrad! 816!
No, in a full
14!
sentence,
I'm about to
full
die! I'm going to
sentence.
die! 10!
Say
I'm
full sentence.
sorry, Cody Conrad!
All right,
2!
let's go.
Ah!
Press him. No.
I can't do this! I cannot f***ing do this! I cannot do this!
In the next one, we have Speed and Kai were trying to get a victory royale for over 6 to 7 hours when they came second place.
I swear to God! I swear to God! I swear to God! I swear to God!
Here, Speed was asking Tom some questions and got really mad after hearing his answer and head-butted the camera.
Do you like Ben? Okay, if I jumped off a cliff, would you? Ben, if I jumped off a cliff, would you save me or would you just leave me?
No.
You would just leave me? Huh? Would you leave me?
No.
You would help me?
No.
Would you let me die?
Yes.
In this next one, Speed's bodyguard had to step in because a football fan tried to touch Speed.
So look at that. Yeah, bro. Bro. What the f? Yo. What the f? Bro, what did he just do, bro? Why did he put his hands on me, bro? I didn't even touch him. I didn't even touch him, bro. I didn't touch him, bro. Why did he put his hand on me, bro? Bro, I didn't put his hands on me, bro. If you had a problem, you could have said that to me, bro. If you had a problem, that's what I'm saying, bro. If you had a problem, say something, bro. You got a verbal, bro. You don't put your hands on me,
This crash out was insane because when Kai Cenat and Speed were streaming the Minecraft Marathon, they got sick of each other.
Leak the IP, you both of our streams up.
You literally leaked it. You literally leaked it this morning.
On act.
You talk on me too on accident too. What the fuck?
It was a mistake though on you. You could have said, close that, bro.
What's a mistake?
Hey, close that. Close that.
What's a mistake?
Close the window.
What's a mistake?
Close the window. You didn't close the window.
What was a mistake?
You didn't close.
So what was it? Accident, right?
You closed the window. Close the
up, bitch.
I'm a real
You would see crazy.
Hey,
I would show you crazy.
Bro, stop.
You talking about, bro? Back the fuck up, bro. Back the fuck up, little nigga. Back the fuck up, boy. Back the fuck. Ain't nobody scared.
Stop playing with me.
Stop spitting in my face.
Stop playing with me.
Stop spitting in my face. And your breath smell like.
Stop spitting on
And your breath smell like. Boy. And your hair dirty as shit.
Nigga, you dirty. And your breath stink.
It's your feet. Look at you. You think anybody wants to be here, nigga? Anybody want to be here with you? You fucking crazy, bitch? Is you crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Shut your black ass up, boy. Do something if you really like that. What you talking about?
Do something with that, G.
Out of here, bro.
I'm just saying.
I done been here for 66 hours. I will make this motherfucker. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I don't give a f.
I'm ready.
What you talking about?
I'm ready for
you
anything,
crazy?
bro.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I swear to God, I'm crazy.
Stop playing.
What you talking about?
You see that?
Oh, your big ass head. Your big ass.
That's all head.
Your big ass
I'm not even using my strength. Your big ass head. That's all head on you.
Bro, you a little.
All head on you. All head on
You a little.
Do it.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Just stop. You can't
Stop
do
playing with me, bro.
that.
Stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop, dude.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Watch out.
Out of here.
Watch out.
This is the last one, but I think it can be the worst crash out because this one got him temporarily banned.
On your left.
Man, yo, man, dog, man. Come on, bruh.
Man, you gotta hit those shots, man.
Man, shut your stupid ass up, nigga. Who's you talking to, bro? Shut your nerd ass up, bro. I know how to play this game. Shut up, monkey. Shut up. Shut your bitch ass up. Alright? Alright?
You're at the bar.
Alright?
Calm down.
Damn, bro, shut up, bro. I know how to play this game. I'm not a noob, alright? God damn.
You don't know how to play the fucking game. You
What?
suck ass.
What? Bitch? Is a bitch talking to me? Is a female talking to me? Am I, no, no. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Oh, wait, time out. Is a female talking to me right now? Is a female talking to me? Get off the fucking game and do your husband dishes, bitch. Shut up. What's wrong with y'all? Stop talking to me like that, nigga. What's wrong with y'all, dog? I'm not one of these little lame Valorant nerds. What's wrong with y'all? Now, f*** up.
Spike down mid.
These nerds on my team. I'm like, who the f*** are you talking to?